I request my students to put their microphones on to give a big applause to our champion Michelle, who passed her
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations. Ravi
Congratulations.
Sabha.
Congratulations.
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 Okay, now, okay, just a thing. I always say, what a fish market. Michelle, where are you? Okay, there you are. You have the stage is all
Okay,
yours.
here I am. Thank you so much, everybody. What can I say? Ambrish, thank you so much. And thank you, everybody. It's been, firstly, it's been fabulous to be with everybody in this family, Ambrish Zoom family, I call it. Um, so what can I say, Ambrish? Tell me what,
No, you tell me your own. You've been living in Italy since what, several thousand years. I mean, you're living forever here, no? And you never dare to take the license. What the things that you told me, and
yeah, no,
then
exactly.
how did you find out about us? Your journey with your beginning to understand, and you giving it whatever. I mean, just say what you.
Yeah,
I
absolutely. Look,
felt that you were
the fear of getting my license one of the to be in this place now, to have overcome that I'm sitting here now with my foglia rosa, is something that I really thought that I would never be able to do, because I don't know, I'm just so fearful of that. And I did try other schools, other driving schools. Actually, I went to two other ones. And then some miracle happened, and I came across your name, Ambrish, on a Facebook group,
uh-huh.
and the name already sounded really nice. There was a nice feeling about that.
I've never seen that. I've never seen that group.
No, okay. It's a group for people like me from Australia, from Canada, from America, and we've had our license in other countries, and we're trying to get our license here in Italy. So it's called Help, I Need My Foglia Rosa. So I joined this group, and through a message, I came across your name. People had mentioned this. We're with Ambrish. I was like, oh, who's Ambrish? So I looked it up, and then I was like, oh no, this is a dream come true. Online classes in English. What more can? So yeah, so then I started my journey with that, and it's been really the best thing I've ever done. And your help has been the most special thing for me. Um, yeah, you really said, I would take you by the hand, and you really did. So I really would not have been able to do this if it wasn't for you, Amber. So I really thank you from the bottom of my heart, really, to be
That's
here.
that's very
Yeah,
nice. Thank you, Lord Michelle. And
yeah.
the night before your exams, that the
Mm,
quiz that we did, and the morning before the exams, into the tips that I give, these
yeah.
have been useful to you in facing your exams.
Yeah, absolutely. To go into this room that, they put a lot of pressure on you. I don't know other places, but here in Lucca, it's like military. They just make you feel like it's so scary. And everything you told me to do just put me in the right frame of mind. I was very well prepared. I felt good about it. I went in there with a really actually excited to do this test, because I've been studying 7 tests a day. I have my scared I tick off 7 tests a day, and with that it really changed everything about being prepared. I've really felt prepared. There's always things that you can learn, and you never know what questions you're going to get, but with the right frame of mind, just being calm, and the things that you told me to do really helped me. I really thank you for that.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you very much, Michelle. You made us all very happy, and you motivated and inspired a lot of people. Remember,
Yeah,
4 days before your practical exams, you can get in touch with me again. Okay.
thank you. Yeah. So, I
I
have
don't know.
all my notes here, and that's, my
Give it.
beautiful little notes here. And
Give it.
my dog has been with me through every lesson. So he hears your voice and he goes to sleep. And he was there with me yesterday. And my husband's here because This is him. He is dying to meet you, Ambrish.
Okay.
My husband is, obviously been through this journey with me, and
Okay.
all the rules and everything. He knows. He knows now.
All right, Michelle. Now you can get your teacher is coming also. No, he eventually joined the school, the one who's teaching you this music. No, so
Yes, he's my very, very good friend, and he's also an opera singer, and we know each other. And I said, Giancarlo, you have to do this. This is the way. You have to go to Ambrish. There's no other way. So I'm happy he called you today.
thank you.
Um,
Keep telling the other people also, right?
absolutely. So
Thanks a lot, Michelle.
everyone, all the best. All the best. Thank you so
We're all
much.
very happy. We're all very happy for you. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, I would request you to put your mic once again. This is today's Australian Day. There is another Australian who passed today. Erin, a big applause for Erin, everybody. Erin, where are you?
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Fantastic news.
Congratulations.
All right, now, hold on just a second. I'll block everybody's microphone. And Erin, there you are to my right. If I got two Australians left and right. How are you, Erin? There you are. The stage is yours.
Both stages of the journey. So many of you won't have been here in the same time I was doing my classes, but today I got my patente here in Milan. But I was saying to Ambrish that actually it was my New Year's resolution to get finally my patente. So I've been in Italy now 4 years, and I made it with 21 days to spare. So a bit of procrastination, but I got there.
Fantastic.
I just wanted to come back and really encourage you. I think it's such an intimidating thing to do, and to not only, it's something that people struggle with when they're doing it in their own language, in their own culture, when they're used to driving on Italian roads, to come and do it in a language that you either don't speak or don't speak well. I think Ambrish has absolutely captured the market in a very good way for a real service that actually helps foreigners in a country that can be quite anti-foreigner. And so having this space where Ambrish really does help explain how it all works to make it really accessible. I did not think on the 31st of December last year that I would have a patente. I thought it was an impossible task. And Ambrish is absolutely a wizard to be able to make it not only incredibly informative and educational, but I actually miss coming to the classes. I got in such a habit of coming and of doing my skater that in some ways, not too many ways, I'm a bit sad it's over. But yes, I got my patente today. And I'd say all of the information that Ambrish is giving you along the way, keep in your mind, because actually here in Milano, at least, I got quite a few questions from the examiner in the first phase around the types of liquids you have to check in the engine, in the color of the spear, of the documents you have to have with you when driving. So don't just forget all of your theory when you pass the theory exam. You'll need it again for the practical.
Exactly what I said. They all heard me say this before I began my. Thanks a lot, both of you. You brighten our day and have a lovely time. And whenever, if you feel nostalgic, this is your home. You can come. You don't need permission. Remember that. You already have my permission beforehand. Okay. Thanks a lot for inspiring us.